Well, guys, the old timing belt broke. But it's okay because we got lucky and we put a new one back on there and it fired right back up. Now I'm going to start taking apart the front end and doing some maintenance and repairs. Okay, I took apart most of the front end and I think we decided that we're just going to pull the engine out and reseal everything. And while it's out, we're going to clean up the engine bay. But thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more and go ahead and like and subscribe.